Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Munai. Today I need to discuss about some problem of integration. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe. The question is given. This is element of mathematics, exercise 9D, question number 5. The question is given, integrate the following. Question number 5, bit 1, integration of dx by 4x square minus x. Okay, you see dx by here 4x square given, root over 4x square minus 6, that is 2x whole square minus 6 minus root 6 whole square. Okay, now you put 2x is equal to t. 2x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of 2x, that is 2, is equal to dt by dx. Okay, dx is equal to, we need dx, that means dx is equal to dt by 2. Okay, is equal to dt, keep 1 by 2 outside. Okay, by root over 2x square, that is t square minus root 6 square, root 6 square. T square minus root 6 square. Okay, is equal to 1 by 2 ln t plus t plus root over t square minus root 6 square plus c is equal to half ln t is equal to how much? 2x plus root over t square minus root 6 square, that is 4x square minus 6 plus c. Okay, pause the video, note it down. Now you see the next question. Integrate the following. The question is given e to the power 5x dx by root over e to the power 10x minus 4. You see, integration of e to the power 5x and divide e to the power 5x whole square. Okay, 5 into 2, 10x. You see, 10x minus 4 means 2 square. Here you put root over. Okay, now put e to the power 5x is equal to t. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay, e to the power 5x, derivative of e to the power 5x, that is e to the power 5x, again derivative of 5x, that is 5. Okay, is equal to dt by dx. Okay, we need how much? E to the power 5x dx. We need here dx, write down dx is equal to dt by 5. You see, e to the power 5x dx is equal to dt by 5. Keep 1 by 5 outside. You write here dt, then root over t square minus 2 square. Okay, is equal to 1 by 5. Here you see, you can get ln t plus root over t square minus 2 square plus c. Okay, is equal to 1 by 5 ln t is equal to how much you have taken? E to the power 5x plus root over t square, that is e to the power 10x minus 2 square, that is 4 plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. Integration of dx by x root over ln x square minus 4. Here given x greater than e square. Okay, now you put ln x is equal to t. Okay, differentiate with respect to x. Derivative of ln x, that is 1 by x, is equal to dt by dx. Okay, here you see dx by x given, that means dx by x is equal to dt. Okay, so integration of dt by root over t square minus 2 square. You see 4 is equal to 2 square, ln x is equal to t, you have taken, that is t square minus 2 square is equal to ln t plus root over t square minus 2 square plus c, okay, is equal to ln t means how much, ln x plus root over t square minus 2 square, that is ln x whole square minus 4 plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, integration of cos theta d theta by sin square theta root over cosec square theta minus 4. Okay, now you put cosec theta is equal to t, differentiate with respect to theta. Here you see t theta given, so with respect to theta, derivative of cosec theta, that is minus cosec theta into cot theta is equal to dt by dx. Okay, cosec theta into cot theta d theta, not dx, d theta is equal to dt. Okay, that is cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta, cot theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta, d theta is equal to minus dt. Here you see you can get cos theta by sin square theta d theta is equal to minus dt. Here you see cos theta d theta by sin square theta is equal to minus dt. You write here, keep minus outside, dt by root over, this is t square, 4 means 2 square, okay, is equal to minus, here apply formula ln t plus root over t square minus 2 square plus c is equal to minus ln t is equal to how much you have taken, cosec theta plus root over t square minus 2 square, that is cosec square theta minus 4 plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, integration of dx by root x root over x minus a square. Here given root x is equal to z. Now you put root x is equal to z, differentiate with respect to x, derivative of root x, that is 1 by 2 root x is equal to dz by dx. Okay, dx by root x is equal to 2 dz. Okay, so here dx by root x is equal to 2 dz, keep 2 outside, dz by root over x means root x whole square. Okay, x means root x whole square, that is z square minus a square. Okay, x means how much, you see root x equal to z, root x is equal to z, x means root x whole square, that is z square. Okay, is equal to ln z plus root over z square minus a square plus c is equal to 2 ln z means root x plus root over x minus a square plus c. Pause the video. You see the next question, integrate the following, integration of x minus 2 dx by root over 3x square minus 8 is equal to x by root over 3x square minus 8 dx. Here integration minus 2 dx by root over 3x square minus 8. You say this is I1 and this is I2. I is equal to I1 plus I2. Let you operate I1. I1 is equal to integration of x by root over 3x square minus 8 dx. Okay, now you put 3x square minus 8 is equal to t. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, 6x, here you see 3x square minus 8 is equal to t square you take. Okay, 6x is equal to 2t dt by dx. Okay, x dx is equal to 2t dt by 6 is equal to x dx is equal to t dt by 3. Okay, 2 1 ja 2 3 ja. Okay, is equal to, you see, integration of x dx is equal to t dt 1 by 3, keep it outside. Okay, by 3x square minus 8, you have taken t square, root of t square, that is t. Okay, is equal to 1 by 3, t will cancel out, integration of what dt. Okay, is equal to 1 by 3 t. Okay, plus c1, you say, is equal to 1 by 3, t is equal to how much? Root over 3x square minus 8, 3x square minus 8 plus c1. Now you operate I2. I2 is equal to minus 2 dx by root over 3x square minus 8. Okay, is equal to minus 2 dx by root 3x whole square minus 2 root 2 whole square. Okay, now you put root 3x is equal to z, differentiate with respect to x, root 3 dx is equal to dz, dx is equal to dz by root 3. Okay, so you write minus 2 by root 3. Okay, dx is equal to dz by root 3, here root 3, here dz. Okay, root over root 3x whole square, that is z square minus 2 root 2 whole square. Okay, is equal to minus 2 by root 3. Okay, you here apply formula ln z plus root over z square minus 2 root 2 whole square plus c2. Okay, is equal to minus 2 by root 3 ln z means root 3x plus root over z square minus 2 root 2 whole square, that is 3x square minus 8 plus c2. Okay, you know I is equal to I1 plus I2. I1 plus I2 is equal to, I1 is equal to how much? 1 by 3 root over 3x square minus 8 plus here you write minus I2 means 2 by root 3 ln root 3x plus root over 3x square minus 8 plus, you see here c1 plus c2 again become constant, so you can say c. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, integration of 3x plus 4 divide x root 2x square minus 5. Okay, is equal to 3x by x root 2x square minus 5 dx plus, here you integration 4 dx by x root 2x square minus 5. Okay, here you take I is equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, directly you can also do, but it will be better if you take I is equal to I1 plus I2, you operate this I1 first and again this I1 second, then you are I is equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, now you operate I1 is equal to how much? You see 3x by x root over 2x square minus 5 dx. Okay, this x will cancel out, is equal to 3 dx by root over 2x square minus 5. Okay, now okay, now put 2x square here you see is equal to 3 dx is equal to 3 dx by root 2x whole square minus root 5 whole square, root over, you say root over. Okay, is equal to 3 integration of dx by, here you put root 2x is equal to t. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, that is root 2 dx is equal to dt. Okay, dx is equal to dt by root 2. Okay, so here 3, you write here root 2, keep outside 1 by root 2, dx is equal to dt by root 2, that is you write here dt by, this is t square minus root 5 whole square. Okay, is equal to 3 by root 2, this is ln t plus root over t square minus root 5 square plus c1. Okay, is equal to 3 by root 2 ln, okay, how much, t means how much, root 2x plus root over t square minus root 5 square, and that is 2x square minus 5 plus c1. Okay, now you operate i2. i2 is equal to how much, 4 dx, 4 dx by x into root over 2x square minus 5. Okay, here you write 4 dx by x, you say 2x square minus 5, that is you say root 2x is equal to, here also root 2x whole square minus root 5 whole square. Okay, is equal to, you say 4 integration of dx by x, here you say dx is equal to dt by root 2, that is you say here 4 by root 2, here dt you use this. Okay, dt by, here you say uh, x is equal to how much, you say here you find x is equal to t by root 2. Okay, if you get x is equal to t by root 2, same substitution required here and here. Okay, t by root 2, you say t by root 2, that means t root 2 will go up, root 2 write down here, then root over t square minus root 5 square. Okay, is equal to, this root 2 will go up, that is root 2 will cancel out automatically, root 2 it will go up, then root 2 will cancel out, only 4 you can get dt by t root over t square minus root 5 square. Okay, is equal to 4, this is 1 by a, that is 1 by root 5. I can use the formula 1 by root 5. Okay, sec inverse 1 by a, that is 1 by root 5, sec inverse x by a t by root 5. Okay, plus c2 is equal to 4 by root 5 sec inverse t means how much, t means root 2x, root 2x by root 5 plus c2. Okay, little bit you pause the video. Now you see I is equal to I1 plus I2. I1 is equal to how much, you see I1 is equal to, I is equal to, you write I is equal to I1 plus I2. Okay, I is equal to, how, see I1 plus I2, I1 is equal to how much, 3 by root 2 ln root 2x plus root over 2x square minus 5. Okay, plus I2 is equal to how much, 4 by root 5 sec inverse root 2x by root 5 plus root 2x by root 5. You see c1 plus c2 is equal to, again a constant. Okay, so root 2x by root 5 plus c. Pause the video, note it down. This is your answer. You see the next question, integration of x square plus 2x plus 2 dx by x root over x square minus 4. Okay, is equal to x square by x root over x square minus 4 dx plus 2x by x root over x square minus 4 dx okay, plus 2 dx by x root over x square minus 4. Okay, here integration, here also integration. Okay, you see this square and this x will cancel out. X dx by root over x square minus 4. Minus 4 means 2 square. Okay, plus here also you see x will cancel out. You can get a 2 dx by root over x square minus 4 plus here you see 2 dx by x root over x square minus 4. For this you say I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay, let you operate I1 is equal to x dx by root over x square minus 2 square. Okay, now you see put x square minus 2 square is equal to t. Okay, different t square you say t square, differentiate with respect to x. 2x dx is equal to 2t dt. 2 will cancel out. X dx is equal to t dt. Okay, here you see x dx is equal to t dt by root over x square minus 2 square, that is t square, root, that is t. T will cancel out. Integration of dt is equal to t plus c1. Okay, is equal to t is equal to how much? Root over x square minus 2 square, that is 4 plus c1. I1 you get you got I1 is equal to x square root over x square minus 4 plus c1. Okay, similarly you can get operate I2 is equal to integration of, you see here 2 write down, dx by root over x square minus 4. Minus 4 means 2 square. Okay, you then use the formula 2 ln x plus root over x square minus 2 square plus c2 is equal to 2 ln x is equal to x plus this is x square minus 4 plus c2. This is your I2. Then you find I3. I3 is equal to 2 dx by x root over x square minus 2 square. Okay, is equal to 2. Use the formula dx by x root over x square minus a square, that is 1 by a, that is 1 by 2. Okay, sec inverse x by a, x by 2 plus c. 2 will cancel out. Okay, that is sec inverse x by 2 plus c. I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. Okay, that means I is equal to I1 is equal to how much? This you say C3. Okay, I1 is equal to root over x square minus 4 plus I2 is equal to 2 ln x plus root over x square minus 4 plus I3 is equal to, you write here sec inverse plus sec inverse x by 2 plus c1 plus c2 plus c3, again also constant. Okay, so I is equal to root over x square minus 4 plus 2 ln x plus root over x square minus 4 plus sec inverse x by 2 plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, integration of x square plus 8x root over. Here also given x plus 4 is equal to z you take. Okay, you see dx by root over x square, that is x square plus 2 into a into b, 2 into a into b, that is you see 4 into 2 8x plus b square, that is 4 square. You have added 4 square and subtract 4 square. Okay, is equal to integration of dx by x square plus 2ab a square plus 2ab plus b square. Up to this much we can get x plus 4 whole square plus 4 square minus 4 square minus 4 square. Here you write root over. Okay, is equal to, now you take put x plus 4 is equal to z, differentiate with respect to x, dx is equal to dz. That means here you write dz by root over z square minus 4 square, okay, is equal to ln z plus root over z square minus 4 plus c is equal to ln z is equal to x plus 4 plus root over z square minus 4, that is x square minus x square plus 8x, directly we can write plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, integration of x plus 7 dx by root over x square plus 8x. Okay, now you put x square plus 8x is equal to t square. Okay, differentiate with respect to x, you can get how much, 2x plus 8 dx is equal to 2t dt. Okay, taking common 2, x plus 4 dx is equal to 2t dt, 2 will cancel out, x plus 4 dx is equal to t dt. Here you see x plus 7 given, that is x plus 4 plus 3 by root over x square plus 8x dx. You separate it, x plus 4 dx by root over x square plus 8x. Here you put integration plus integration of 3 dx by root over x square plus 8x. Okay, here you see x plus 4 dx t dt. Okay, and this is t dt. Here you have taken t square, that is t square root, that is t. Okay, plus 3 dx by root over x square plus 8x. T will cancel out, integration of dt is equal to t plus 3. Here you see dx by root over x square minus 2 into a into plus 2 into a into b, that is 4. B is equal to 4, that is 4 square. Again you take minus 4 square, so that value cannot be changed. Okay, is equal to, you say t is equal to how much, you write here t is equal to root over x square plus 8x plus 3. Here you say integration of dx by root over x plus 4 whole square minus 4 square. You see a square plus 2ab plus b square, that is this is in the form of x plus 4 whole square minus 4 square. Okay, is equal to, you see is equal to root over x square plus 8x plus 3. Here you take put x plus 4 is equal to, you say z, x plus 4 is equal to, you say z, differentiate with respect to x, you can get dx is equal to dz. Okay, and that means here you write dz by, this is root over z square minus 4 square is equal to root over x square plus 8x plus 3. This is ln z plus z square minus 4 square root over plus c. Okay, is equal to root over x square plus 8x plus 3 ln z is equal to how much, x plus 4 plus root over x square plus 8x, right? Directly you write x square plus 8x plus c. Pause the video, note it down.